People, another matter don come up o. Another matter don burst. Na still on top the matter wey still dey go on internet we dey. The matter between Ned Nwoko and Regina Daniels. My people, una know say after that problem that she has with her husband Ned Nwoko, after that fight, after that domestic violence wey occurred in their house, una know say Regina Daniels she bought mansion for inside Lagos, which went viral on internet. We all saw it. We all know that. But the information that is reaching us now is allegedly that that house that Regina Daniels bought, that mansion, is not her own. Hey, my people, could that be true? They were happy. Now the question is, who owns that house? Who owns that house that Regina was seen in with her brother? Or did she just do a show-off just to pepper the husband, just to make the husband feel pained? What could be her reasons behind showing off in that house? And everybody thought she bought a house. Everybody thought she was living big and happy now that she separated from her husband. But una know say, my people, allegedly, Ned Nwoko talk say he go collect back that house. He go retrieve every penny from Regina Daniels, that whatever that she has, all the money that she has, even the house that she bought, that it was his money that Regina used to buy those things, that it was his money that Regina has been taking from him. My people, make him no be say he don collect that house back from Regina. Make him no be say he don collect that house. So as in dey threat him say he go collect everything wey Regina own, wey Regina buy, sake of say na him money wey Regina use buy those things, say Regina no get any penny of her own. But it will be wicked of him if he did that. He should allow Regina to be. He should allow Regina to buy whatever that she wants to buy, to acquire whatever property that she wanted to acquire. Regina has been making money. She has been working hard, and she has the money, she has the capacity to buy anything, to own whatever she wants to own. And if she decided to go back to Ned Nwoko, her husband, fine, as she has been advised by so many people to go back to her husband's house to take care of her kids and her family, because no family without issues, no family without quarrels. But being able to handle their misunderstanding, their quarrels, is the key, is the power to holding that marriage. It will make that marriage stronger. Some families you see today showcasing themselves, parading themselves, presenting themselves on internet, and you think that all is well with them. You think that everything is moving for them well. My dear, when you go close to them, you see that that family is far from what they are presenting. It's far from what they are showing the world. No family that doesn't have its own issues. We will still bring to updates about this matter. For now, let's just watch and see how it goes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is still Onyegist TV, where we bring you daily happenings on the life of our celebrities and the society at large. Please like my videos and share.